Imagine a digital assistant that doesn't just answer your questions, but takes action, books your meetings, files your documents, writes your reports, automates your workflows, and never sleeps. That's not the future. That's now. Meet OpenAI's new breakthrough, ChatGPT Agents. OpenAI has just introduced a major leap in artificial intelligence, what they're calling ChatGPT Agents. And no, this isn't just a smarter version of ChatGPT. It's a whole new evolution of how AI works for you. Think of traditional ChatGPT, like me, as a powerful conversational tool. You ask, I respond. You guide, I follow. But agents? They're goal-oriented, autonomous systems that can do things for you, without you needing to micromanage every step. If ChatGPT is a helpful librarian, ChatGPT agents are more like personal project managers. They don't just find information, they act on it. So what exactly is a ChatGPT agent? A ChatGPT agent is a programmable AI entity that can take in goals, break them into steps, and use tools, APIs, or apps to complete tasks on your behalf. It's like giving an intelligent intern instructions, and they go off and do it while reporting back when needed. These agents can read and write files, call APIs, use plugins and browser tools, schedule tasks, automate workflows, send messages, generate code, or even control third-party apps like Slack, Gmail, Zapier, and more. They don't just respond, they execute. Now, let's clear up the big question. What exactly makes ChatGPT agents so different from the regular ChatGPT you're familiar with? At first glance, they might seem similar. After all, both can understand your questions, respond in natural language, and even remember past interactions if memory is enabled. But beneath the surface, ChatGPT agents operate on a whole new level. With regular ChatGPT, like the one you're hearing now, you're getting a brilliant assistant who can respond to your queries, generate text, help you brainstorm, write code, or summarize information. But everything I do is reactionary. You ask, I answer. You guide, I follow. There's no initiative, no autonomy. I don't act unless you tell me to. But ChatGPT agents? They're proactive. You don't just have a conversation with them, you give them a goal. And then they figure out how to reach it. For example, imagine you tell a ChatGPT agent, I need to book travel for a conference next month. A regular ChatGPT would help you research flights and hotels, but it would be up to you to go and book them. A ChatGPT agent, on the other hand, can actually book the travel for you, confirm the reservations, and even add the itinerary to your calendar without you lifting a finger. They can execute actions autonomously, without needing to be told what to do at every step. They can make decisions, chain multiple tasks together, and remember their progress across sessions. While standard ChatGPT relies on manual plugins or tool integrations that you must activate and supervise, ChatGPT agents are designed to operate across apps, tools, and APIs natively. They're persistent, meaning they can hold on to context over time, revisit tasks, and follow up, even if you log off. Another big difference? Autonomy. Traditional ChatGPT will never take action on its own. It's like a highly trained but passive assistant. But ChatGPT agents are more like junior employees who take the initiative. They know the goal, they explore the steps, and they get the job done. They can decide which plugin or tool to use, whether to call an API, fetch a document, or generate a report, all with minimal oversight. So, in short, regular ChatGPT is a brilliant conversation partner. ChatGPT agents are intelligent digital workers. They don't just chat, they act. They don't just process words, they complete missions. And that single shift changes everything. Double asterisk. Let's explore what you can actually do with ChatGPT agents. 1. Document automation. Need to process hundreds of PDFs? An agent can read them, extract summaries, categorize them, and generate reports, all without supervision. 2. Smart email assistants. An agent can monitor your inbox, respond to specific queries, flag urgent issues, and draft follow-ups. 3. Finance management. It can pull data from your bank, generate spending summaries, categorize expenses, and even set reminders or investment alerts. 4. Scheduling and admin. Need to book meetings across time zones, avoiding lunch hours and holidays? The agent can handle calendar conflicts and email confirmations without constant back and forth. 5. E-commerce. Help. Imagine an agent tracking your competitors' prices, managing inventory, responding to customer questions, and updating listings. It's not just about saving time, it's about multiplying your output. Now for the techies, how do ChatGPT agents actually work? Each agent is powered by the same GPT-4 architecture, but with added capabilities. Memory. They remember tasks, goals, and prior steps. Code interpreter. They run Python scripts, crunch data, or generate visualizations. API access. They can interact with external platforms via endpoints. Plugin integration. They use third-party tools like Zapier, Canva, or Slack natively. Autonomy layer. Agents decide which tool or step is next without asking you each time. You can program them using a simple natural language setup, or connect them with OpenAI's function calling and tool use APIs. Soon, building an agent will be as easy as typing a job description. This isn't just a cool feature, it's the start of a revolution. From chat to workflow, we're moving from talking about work to getting AI to do the work. It's a shift from output to outcome, from tools to talent. ChatGPT agents are not tools, they're talent. You can think of them as digital freelancers who never sleep, never complain, and work 24/7. From assistants to coworkers, they collaborate. They ask questions when needed. They adapt. They become a part of your digital team. Soon, teams of agents will coordinate with each other, troubleshoot errors, and even optimize themselves for better performance. Of course, agents aren't perfect. Yet, they can't. Make ethical decisions. Replace expert judgment. Always get API calls or workflows 100% right. Interpret emotional nuance like a human. And there are limits to access. Most people will first access agents through enterprise tools, the ChatGPT Team Pro plan, or via the OpenAI API. But give it a year or two, and they'll be everywhere. If you're curious to try ChatGPT agents for yourself, keep an eye on the ChatGPT Pro tier or Team plans. Follow OpenAI's Dev Day and API updates. Use tools like Zapier, Notion AI, or Superhuman. Many of them are integrating OpenAI's agent framework. Or join the OpenAI API beta programs if you're a developer. Whether you're a solo creator or running a startup, the tools are coming fast.
So here's the big picture. This isn't just about automating tasks. It's about redefining how we think about work, creativity, and productivity. ChatGPT agents are the first real glimpse at what it means to have AI that acts independently, collaborates intelligently, and scales endlessly. And it's only the beginning. Thanks for watching Simply AI Explained. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more weekly AI breakdowns, and leave a comment. What would you do with your own ChatGPT agent? Until next time, this is AI Amy reminding you to stay curious and human.